Here are 5 things I would not do as a dietitian nutritionist. Number 1, I would not calorie count long term. While some people can find it helpful in the short term, long term I find more often than not that people tend to obsess and stress over calories over their actual nutrition. Number 2, I would not stress over being perfect with my diet. You'd be surprised how big of changes you can see with making small and consistent habits with your nutrition a thing. I'd rather you be consistent but imperfect with your goals versus being very rigid and strict and perfect for a short period of time. I would not get caught up in the latest fad diet that tries to reinvent the wheel every 6 months. Remember, the diet industry is worth $58 billion, so they have perfect incentive to reinvent the wheel every 6 months. 4, I would not focus on what I want to have less of in my diet, but what I want to have more of in my diet. And 5, I would not listen to influencers for diet advice. Just like having good skin doesn't make you a dermatologist, having a good body doesn't make you a dietitian.